FirstSource acquires TeleMedic to strengthen digital healthcare capabilities in the US. FirstSource Solutions has announced the acquisition of TeleMedic, a healthcare technology and services company with a strong operational footprint in Puerto Rico and across the US. The acquisition is aimed at expanding FirstSource's digital healthcare offerings and strengthening its presence across payer and provider networks. The transaction comes at a time when US health plans are facing rising utilization, higher medical costs, and increasing pressure to shift toward value-based care models. These dynamics are pushing payers to adopt integrated digital solutions that improve care coordination, clinical decision-making, and operational efficiency without significantly expanding in-house teams. TeleMedic brings deep expertise in clinical operations, utilization management, care management, and technology-enabled healthcare delivery. By integrating these capabilities with FirstSource's existing AI-driven automation and analytics platforms, the company is building a more comprehensive end-to-end medical management offering. Strategically, the acquisition strengthens FirstSource's BPaaS-led healthcare model by combining digital platforms with clinical execution. This unified approach allows health plan clients to manage the entire medical management lifecycle, from intake and authorization to care coordination, clinical intervention, and ongoing member engagement. A key advantage from this deal is the expanded access to the US payer-provider ecosystem, particularly in Puerto Rico. The region offers a differentiated delivery base to support Medicaid, Medicare Advantage, and dual-eligible populations, including Spanish-speaking and underserved communities, which are seeing rapid enrollment growth. From an operational standpoint, the integration is expected to improve speed to decision, reduce administrative complexity, and enhance clinical consistency. Combined technology stacks should also lower operational risk for clients while improving quality and cost outcomes. In terms of market response, the acquisition aligns with FirstSource's long-term strategy of deepening its US healthcare exposure through digital and clinical capabilities rather than scale-only expansion. Investor sentiment typically tracks how effectively such acquisitions translate into revenue growth, margin expansion, and deeper client relationships over time. Risks to monitor include execution complexity, integration of clinical teams and technology platforms, and maintaining service continuity across geographies. Regulatory compliance and data security in healthcare operations will also remain critical as scale increases. Looking ahead, this acquisition positions FirstSource to benefit from structural tailwinds in U.S. healthcare outsourcing, particularly as payers look for partners who can deliver technology-led efficiency alongside clinical expertise. Success will depend on how quickly the combined entity converts expanded capabilities into sustained contract wins and higher wallet share. Overall, the acquisition of TeleMedic marks a strategic step in FirstSource's evolution toward a digitally integrated healthcare services platform. For investors, the key focus will be on execution, cross-selling opportunities, and the ability to deliver measurable value to health plan clients in a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape.